For some reason, there is a purple or lila border. Maybe it's an A-sprite problem. This is the one we're talking about. Ah, I see. It has an outline. That's why. We can't see the outline. I get it now. We can't see the outline because it's purple. So maybe we should do a different outline here. Maybe we should do black. And then if we go back into the game, we now have black outlines here, which means we have to increase at least the spacing at the top here. But maybe we add one more pixel for each option. But I really, maybe one more pixel. Fine, fine. I just love this, you know. I love making some progress. Got this! Relax. Where's the spacing? Why spacing? How about we do 13 or 14? Oof, oof, oof. I mean, it does look kinda clamped, but it works, I suppose. Right? I guess it works. It looks weird here. Or we just do 12 spacing, right? But only between the two drop-down menus we have 1 or 2 pixels more. So instead of Y spacing, we add 2 here. What do you think? You think that's fine? To have only 2 pixels in between the two? Why does it take so long? That looks good. Yeah, I don't think anyone will notice. Yep. Hey, Rafi, my man, good morning. Let's put this here. To the right. Let me check if I'm on top of something. No, I'm not. Then we'll put the game over here and we show the options like that. Then we can work on the options while also working here and coding. That's the idea. Consistent? It's fine, bro. It's okay. Now, what I want to do today is get rid of this borderless checkbox. And we already store the mode. Which means we have this drop down. Wait, it's just a drop down here, right? That toggle full screen chosen monitor. Yeah. Wait. This is just choose monitor. And then over here we have the mode. Then the borderless checkbox is not needed anymore, and the toggle full screen boolean can go away too. Then we already have music. And now what this allows us to do is basically use the X coordinate, or no, change the X coordinate, the X size of the window to make it smaller. For that we have to, unfortunately, close the game because I removed data. So now we can go maybe with 220. Let's see how that looks. Maybe that looks good. Just be consistent with your eye and then you're good. 1 pixel is enough for everything, bro. No, toggle full screen is somewhere else too. If we press the F11 key. If we press the F11 key, then okay. Platform toggle full screen. Yeah, if we press the F11 key, then I want to change the mode. So basically, if we press the F11 key, right? I'm being called again, like, what's going on today? It's so bad. How many chromosomes do you have, Cakez? What is this question? Shut up, bitch. What is your issue? Is this still there? No. So, let me... Options. dot mode if it's unequal to borderless full screen borderless. Yeah, I wanna at least get that. Hello. If it's not borderless, then we somehow need to save the previous option, the previous mode. Do we have a previous mode? Current mode? Current mode, I see. So if we press the F11 mode, if we press F11 and the options mode is not borderless, how do we do this? So options mode and current mode should be the same. Right. If we press F11, I want to toggle between full screen borderless and windowed. So if we are not full screen borderless, then I want to change the options .mode to options .mode to windowed. And if we are borderless, then we want to... Wait, no, if we are not borderless, then we want to change to borderless. And if we are borderless, then we want to change to windowed. There we go. That's, I think, what we need to do on F11. Let's see if that works. Works, guys. F11 works. Cool. You prefer NeoVim or VS-Code? I prefer VS-Code. But I watched a Primogen tutorial on how to set up NeoVim and got stuck on the first command because it worked differently for him than it worked for me. I called the video trash and never tried again. Sorry once again for calling you a dumb as fuck. I don't think twice. Didn't think twice and type that. That's fine, Steady Boss. It's okay. Takes a man to apologize, and I appreciate that, bro. You know, rarely people apologize for being like stepping over the line, and I can see that, and I appreciate that even more, you know, because there's so many people that step over the line and they try to make excuses. Just shut up, bitch. Say sorry and it's good. But so many people don't, right? They think they have like some moral authority or some reasoning. They need to explain things. Dumbos, shut the fuck up. You know, shut up and apologize and move on, bro. Learn to apologize. I think that's the most important skill that you will learn in your life. So few people can do that. Sorry once again for calling you bad at programming. Didn't... Shut the fuck up. Okay, yeah, shut up, guys. Okay, for the record, I still think you're dumb as fuck. Yeah, fuck you. Don't care, I'm not. I apologize for absolutely fucking nothing. You should apologize for keep following. Yo, Abef. No, actually the bot works, bro. Thank you. The bot worked very well today. I think it's now time to play... Actually play... Oh god, the notifications. I'm gonna play the notifications while I take a piss. Be right back. Alright, let's see here. Oh! Actually, what do you guys think? I have an idea for this, by the way. It's almost actually good. Oh, I love making progress in the game, even though we didn't make much today. We still made some progress, guys. That's important. We still made some progress. Oh. Shit. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Drop down position could be the options content position, right? Not plus an arbitrary amount, but we take the size. Options size .x. That would be divided by 2, I think. No, we take the entire size and then we go to the left. By the sprite for the drop down sprite. dot size dot x, and then we divide that by 2. That would be half the size. And then we need to add some padding. Right? Plus 10. And then we put that in Klammern and braces. And then let's see if that works. Linker. We had some linker issues here. It's fine. We need to take the entire size, of course, because it's in the middle. Have you done true full screen? I have not done true full screen. I actually wanted to do this today, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Yeah. Now. I wish I had some padding, but it looks like it's going to be like 16 or something. And over here we can press F11, move this to the left. Then make that a bit smaller so we can see better. Actually, need to make this bigger. Yeah. 16 is too much. Um, 14. When Dark Souls? I think I'll do Minecraft today and then Dark Souls tomorrow on Friday. Alright, and then we need to start further down because of the X button. I think that looks odd. So we'll start... Instead of 30, we'll do 30. Fuck. 32. Wrong click. Are you making Dark Souls as well? No, we're not making Dark Souls. I want to play Dark Souls. I want to play Dark Souls no death attempt. I want to make an attempt at not dying in Dark Souls. Do the 5-minute run, bro. It's not going to be 5 minutes, okay? I will get very far into the game. You're wrong. No, guys, you're wrong. You're stupid. If you think that I will die so fast, then you're out of your mind. Okay? Have you seen how fast I killed Ornstein and Smaug? Absolutely not. You guys are delusional. Did someone ever tell you that? Good. Now, where's this checkbox? If it has borderless. This checkbox has to go away. Cool. This is what the window will look like, guys. What do you think? The options window. That's it. Also, wait. Here we need to add 2 as well. To give it like a little bit of a separation. Looks good. Thank you, Dirk. I think it does look good too. Yes. F11. That's the idea. And now we do have some time. How difficult would it be to have true full screen? Very good. Yeah, that's easy to read, right? I missed the scattered text in the options menu, but it's like this but it's fine like this as well. While the pixel on X button is annoying though. The white pixel on the X button is annoying though. Oh, you mean this? I didn't even notice that, bro. Fine, I guess I'll get rid of it. I see what you mean. I thought it would be cool to have like a nail there. No! I had G on. Maybe make it less obvious that this is a nail. Stop with the nails. Not this. Since you're getting a baby Cakez. Baby girl Cakez. Are you worried about your family dynamics changing? Are you the only man and your child might finish college before you finish your... Shut up, bitch. What are you talking about? I'm happy that I have a baby girl because she will like me more than my wife. And so she will give me recht in English. She will be on my side more than on her side, so I will collect more W's. That's how I see it. Doubt? No, she will take my side and be like, yeah, he's right. You're wrong. What are you talking about? And then I'm like, see, I told you. I told you. Agree with you. Yeah, so that's how it is, right? Good luck with that, yeah. You're still playing sides with White? She will join us in Flame. No. Nope. Collector actually is your wife? No. Collector is not my wife, okay. Alright, guys. Cool. The only thing that we are missing is a true full screen experience. Have you guys ever done a true full screen on a monitor? I don't even know what that means. I have. My boy hangs with Brandon, my girl's hang with me, so I think you need to get stereotypes out of your echo chamber. I'm sure he will get one more baby straight after. Borderless should be enough. So windowed or borderless, fast alt-tabs will run as fast. So you guys think I should not have a normal full screen, but just borderless and windowed? Change display settings, eh? Some gamers want exclusive full screen. Let me check on something. Guys, we will only do this if this game has it. We will only do this if this game has it. You know what game I'm going to start? Guys, what game will I start? What game will I take a look at now? Bloons? Bloons? Diablo? They are billions? You're so wrong. True full screen is very much pain in the ass and it doesn't even work 100% of the time. PoE? Diablo? Furry Adventures? Where's Furry Adventures? So you guys are all wrong. I was gonna take a look at a cheap game, Vampire Survivors. You guys are wrong. I was gonna take a look at the game that is very successful, and I think it doesn't have full screen support. How do I know that? It's basically I can move my mouse outside. Options. Maybe I'm wrong though, right? You never know. Classic sound effects, classic. Blast processed. What does that mean? Okay, resolution. Full screen Shit! They have it! Oh! God damn it! Giga chat? Nah. Blast process sounds like post Taco Bell. She will replace my role here on YouTube. Undead and undressed. Need full screen, bro. True full screen is basically a borderless full screen. It's basically a borderless full screen, you're right. Full screen window, exclusive full screen. I don't know what that means. Eh? Wait, one option disappears. Apply button happens there. Hey, it's basically the same. That's basically the same. That's a lie. Not that it matters much with the TD, but my 168 monitor on the right is not my primary monitor. If I don't go to exclusive full screen there, I only see 60 Hz. That's one advantage of exclusive full screen mode. Aha. Refresh rate. That's the advantage. Okay. You will recognize real full screen. Screen goes black and some monitors switch. The switch takes ages. Okay, so what I take from this is that this guy's just lying. Right? Oh wait, is it a refresh rate here? 75? I don't have 75 though. I have 60. What? Do I? Do you have to hit apply though? Oh, you're right, Travis. So it is. Oh, shit. Fuck. What are we gonna do now, guys? Are we actually going to do exclusive full screen? I'm pretty sure that wasn't there in the beginning, guys. I'm pretty sure that option wasn't there in the beginning. I'm pretty sure it wasn't there in the beginning. It wasn't there in the beginning. What Trinko said is true, but with DirectX 11.3 onward, it does not happen anymore. My full screen is now switches immediately with no black screen in between. They must have added it because people wanted it. Okay, fine. How do I do a true full screen experience? Oh god. Goodness. In Win32. Oh god, this is gonna be annoying. You also need an option to disable blood and makes borders transparent. Vampire Survivor says it. ChatGPT. True. Full screen. Win32. Not sure if this, if I did exclusive full screen properly. Swap chain, set full screen state, VK release. Oh god, Vulcan. You have done it right. You need to manually resize the window according to the monitor's bounds and resolution to try and acquire the full screen. It's a lock. Okay, so this is just, okay. I'm talking about Win32, not this. Win32 full screen. Learn Microsoft.com. We'll just test it out, guys. See if this works. Change display settings. EXA function win user. The change display function changes the settings of the specified display device to the specified graphics mode. It takes in a name. Wonder what that means. Mode, window, flags, and lparam. Device name, a pointer to a null terminated string that specifies the display device whose graphics mode will change. Only display device names are returned by enum displays are valid. Aha, so for example, what we already have. Cool. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. I'm not sure where that comes from. So basically this is what they want. We go into the options here. They want this. Right? Cool. And then the device name parameter can be a null value. Wait, can be null. A null value specifies the default display device. The default device can be determined by calling, primary device. We did that. And then the dev mode, a pointer to a dev mode structure that describes the new graphics mode. If it is null, the values currently in the registry will be used for the display setting. Passing null for the parameter and 0 for the flags parameter is the easiest way to return to the default mode after dynamic mode change. Aha, so we need this dev mode thing, right? What is this? Oh god. Oh god. That's a lot. 158 hours, you really love this vampire game? I did, yeah. Yeah, buddy, welcome to hell. Win API moment. Okay, I need to drink. We need an orientation, a paper size, a paper length, a paper width, a scale, all copies. Oh god. So I'm pretty sure what we need is... Oh god, what do we need actually? I bet doing this for X11 is probably still worse. So I think I'm just gonna pass null. And I'm just hoping, right, that the flags is gonna help us. Dev mode. Oh, it's explaining DMs per pixel, bigs per pixel, pixel width, height, mode flags. I'm just gonna pass null. And then I use the flags for full screen. Exactly. That's gonna be, yeah, full screen. The mode is temporary in nature. If you change to and from other desktop, this mode will not be reset. I think we're just gonna do... The device will become the primary device. That's wrong. I'm just gonna set the full screen. Yep. Doesn't GLFW handle this? Yeah, but we don't use that. Let's try. Is there a getter that'll fill that out? Yeah, there's a getter, but we can pass null and then it uses the default ones, which is what we want. All right, let's see. We already have everything we need. I just need to do right code, essentially. Look. Wait, this is in a game. In the main CPP file, we have a function. If I find that function though. Switch window mode. We just need to implement it. And the cool thing is we can write window code here. Windows code here. So essentially we just write this one function. What's that? Change display settings. And that's very simple. We need the device name. The device name will be options dot monitors. No, actually dot chosen display name. Then the device name. The dev mode, we're gonna use null. The window would be the window. The flags will be full screen. What is it called, the flag again? Full screen. And then use long pointer to a C string. Huh? What? What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about? Huh? I don't know what you guys mean with these arrows. I need to build this again because the game was running. It didn't build the engine. We need to build the engine. Let's see if this works or not. Might not work. Set it to window full, then try full screen. Doesn't do anything. I was expecting the setting will be saved in the global settings area so that they will affect all the users on the machine. Otherwise, only the settings for the user are modified. This flag is only valid when specified with the update registry flag. No reset. The setting will be saved in the registry. Reset. Only valid. Okay. The setting should be changed, even if the current settings are the same as the current settings. The device will become test. Update registry. The graphics mode for the current screen will be changed dynamically and the graphics mode will be updated in the registry. The mode information is stored in the user profile. Video enable, unsafe modes. Allows an application to determine which graphics mode actually valid. Update registry. Video parameters is appointed to a video parameters. Structure. Offset, flag, standard, available, flicker. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Found this full screen CPP file. Thank you, man. That's very helpful. That's gonna help. Cool. Thanks, bro. Let's see. Change to full screen. Mem set. Dev mode. DM settings. Okay. Oh, I don't have the dev mode. Okay. Size off. Yeah. Make sure it's cleared. Enumerate display settings. Yeah. We get the different things. And then we set the width and the height. Hey, that's really easy. Change display settings. CDS full screen. We already have mostly everything we need. We always want to get a result from this function to check if we failed. If the result is not successful, then the message box. We should put a message box. Okay. I mean. So it looks like he's just taking the width and the height here. And that's why... it doesn't change that. Okay. So what we need to do here is store the width and the height of the monitor in the monitor. Oh, that's actually very... God! Watch. It's actually very easy. We just store. We have monitor info here, right? Then we create monitor data. We just create an I vector 2 of size. A monitor's size. Boom. And then we set the monitor.size.x to dm pixel width and pixels height. And then in the main file down here we use we have only access to options, right? We don't have access to... We need access to... Where do I store the monitors again? I store the monitors in... Input. Oh, I have access to input. Okay, so... monitor data. Monitor is input. Monitors on input. Chosen monitor index. Now that we have the monitor, we can create one of these DM settings. And I think what... Fuck! Sorry. I pressed the wrong... No, I pressed the wrong... Not you. Can't we do this, guys? Can't we do this? Or do I have to do something different? Let's just test if it works, right? And then we set the width and the height, and then the fields. Set the flags saying we are changing the screen's width and the height. Aha. DM fields. Okay. Actually, we're copying all of this. Thank you so much, bro. That is really helpful. Cool. Cool. And then we set that. And then we pass in the DM settings. Oh, we don't even need to use the window here? Why not? He's not using the window and he's just calling change display settings. Yeah? I wonder why. Maybe it's using the current window? Change display settings, takes in flags and this. Okay. I'm pretty sure it is using a different window, guys, but we'll see. Fine, so no name, just the settings and the full screen thing, and then nothing. Cakes again, backseating. Yes, you can. Oh, you have done this before, Mr. TCAP? Copium Shuttle? What is that emote, bro? Guys, I wanted to use some emotes in not Jackie Chan's, in Jackie Code's chat yesterday, but I couldn't. I wanted to use Dog Leaf. It wasn't there. Okay. Oh, you asked Zero if you can use that instead of the mem set. Okay. That doesn't seem to work. Then why does this look so pork? I worked a lot on this, man. Okay. Wonder why. Let's see. Maybe because I don't store the correct size. Is it storing the window size? I think your monitor supply simply isn't supported. Make sure to set the DM size of the dev mode. Windows often use that to determine which version to use. The DM size? So, not the pixel width and height, but something else? Is that what you're saying? You need to use the window size instead of the monitor size in the dev mode? No, the size of the struct itself. Wait, you're saying that this is... But it looks zero initialized to me. See that? What's the name of the key shortcut for that menu? For choosing open file instead in Visual Studio Code is an extension. What is the name of the key shortcut for that menu? For closing the open file. Oh, this one. For me it's Control B, but I'm pretty sure I changed it. Control plus B. It's toggle primary sidebar visibility. You can see your cakes? Cakes? What is this? That's so heh. Windows had an odd way of being backwards compatible, and you have to tell it in the size of the struct so it knows the fields to expect which to cast to. Aha, so basically what you mean is size of dev mode. I mean, I'll probably do a mem set if that's... Control B is default. Maybe check the return value? Oh yeah, we can check the return value. True, you're right. Int result is this. Then if result is not disp change successful, then I want to do, I guess, a message box. That would be cool. Null display mode. Not compatible. Error. And then MB. Okay. I wonder what post quit message means. I guess we'll just do a message box for now. DM size specifies the size in bytes of the dev mode structure, not including any private driver specific data that might follow the structure's public members. So this member of size mode dev is to indicate the version of the dev mode structure being used. It's not the first member, which is unusual. Aha, I see. Okay, fine. All right, let's see what happens when we do windowed, full screen. Because I'm pretty sure we need to set the size of the window to like the screen size, right? 1920 by 1080. It didn't do anything. Guys, it did not do anything. It was successful, but it didn't do anything. Why? Wait a minute. Size of 0, make sure the memory is cleared. Guys, maybe this is just an old function. Do I have to change this to size of dev mode? Just copy his code and check if it works that way. Oh my god. I am, you dumbo. Are you stupid? Oh my god. Just copy his code and see if it works. Enumerate displays. Settings. If message box could not enumerate displays, then we get the settings. Right? We have those settings and we are only interested... Wait a minute. Enum current settings. Wait a minute. It basically does this. Get the current display settings. This function fills out the settings. Wait a minute. The current display. I see now. In later movies we don't have sock on feet. Does that mean it looks like this? Don't init the struct with size of. The first field is the device name, so you get an invalid display path. Okay. I mean, so we don't do that, right? We don't do it at all, but we need to enumerate. So basically we need to get the current settings of the display we are interested. Shut the fuck up, Cakez. It's really cringe. You're being cringe, bro. Okay, this guy's cringe. I have an idea. We do this. Enumerate. Enum display settings, but we have to do this. We have to first enumerate the devices again and then enumerate the settings. So basically what we have to do is this. We need to enumerate the devices and then the current settings. If the device name fits our currently chosen device, then we need to get those settings. Essentially this. Wait. So first, we need to... Huh? Didn't I copy this? Alright, so we don't need the index. We need a display device. Size of display device. And we need to enumerate that. Oh, we need an index. Okay, fine. Int device edx is 0. And then we need to check. We have this dev mode, right? That's one we have here as well, right? DM. Essentially, this. Almost have it. All right, DM, and then we need to enumerate those, but only if the display device dot device name is the same as the monitor dot name, because that is our currently chosen name. Then we want to enumerate that using DM, and then we have DM, and can use that here. And we don't even need that size here. We can use all right. I mean, I think that's it. Actually, don't need that. Yeah, I mean, it can be better. But then, hello there, Marty on YouTube. Good morning. He'll get there when API is a C-style nightmare. Don't init destruct. Looking. All right, let's see if this works. Let's see if this even goes in there. Display 1. Now this is properly filled with stuff now. You see this? Okay. Pixel width and height. Display frequency. Panning width. It's not doing anything, man. It's not doing shit. It's dog shit, guys. This doesn't work. The code you linked doesn't work, bro. Doesn't work. Dog shit. Doesn't work at all. Sucks. It sucks. Try something easier like giving up. Shut the fuck up. Need to press apply. What's the issue? I'm trying to make a proper full screen using the Windows API, but it doesn't seem to do that. Excuse me. Maybe the change display settings EXA, but it's just an extension. Maybe it's using the wrong window. We never know. Maybe it's not the correct display name. Well, I wasn't using the display name, right? Huh. Okay, so that gives me a checkbox. Cakez, the issue is that Cakez is a 10x programmer. He needs 10 other programmers to make progress. However, there are currently only 8 here, so we are stuck. Shut up, that's not true. Wrong. You're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. Well, that means some of the parameters are wrong. At least we're close. Yeah, but well, maybe we get a return error. You're right. You're right. What is this return error? Oops, actually, oh, sorry. Wrong. What is the result? -5. Half of them are batch sleeping. Let's take a look at this function. And there's got to be return values. Great. Display change, bad value. The settings change was unsuccessful because the system dual view is dual view capable. An invalid flag. Yeah, how about you give me the... Man. Fine. We'll do it that way. Let's do it like this. It is how it is, guys. It is how it is. Right click, go to definition. Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe I could do that. True. -5, change bad parameter. Oh yeah, we have a bad parameter, but which one is it? It doesn't say us, it doesn't tell us which one. Yeah, Control F click works in Visual Studio Code. Add 5 to the result. You can take a look at Unreal Engine's code. What's the use case for having full screen? Does anyone even want that? Vampire Survivors has it. Real Superku says that even his audience wanted it too. So, yeah, I want to be on par with everyone else. So, of course, we're going to add it too, right? Okay, so it's basically a bad parameter. Basically this one. Bad param. Let's see what the documentation says. An invalid parameter was passed in. This can include an invalid flag or combination of flags. Okay. That means an invalid flag or combination of flags. Since we do CDS full screen, that's the only one. I'm confused. Why does it say H window reserved must be null and you pass in the window there? Oh, okay. I thought it was the window. I didn't even read that. Wait, really? H window. Reserve must be... My man! I wasn't reading this. I read everything else except that. My man. Maybe it works now, guys. Mem set 0 to the M, maybe? Yeah, we'll try mem set 0. But it's filled in, so... I will try the mem set stuff too. Why not? I'm pretty sure both work, by the way. I'm pretty sure both ways work. DevModTM will set it all to 0 as well. Then set the size of the struct size. You don't need to mem set, just zero init. Yeah, we'll see. I'll try both versions. Now you remove the DM size line. He never did that. He never did this. See that? He never did this. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Okay? We'll test both ways. Just wait. We'll test both ways. Okay? Doesn't work though. Doesn't do anything, guys. Still doesn't do anything. Fine. There's nothing changing. I'm doing it exactly like he did. Nothing changed. So it is not that memset. It's not this error code. Zero error code. So basically success. Where do you call the actual function? By the Windows API? Yeah, it's this function here. Try mem copy. Stop. It doesn't matter. So for some reason it doesn't work. Screen went black for us. What did you see? Why didn't it work? Wait, for you guys it went black. Let me check on OBS. I'll try this one more time. I should also remove that. Weird. It didn't go black for me. Let's see. Yeah, it goes full screen for you. But it doesn't change the size for me. I mean, it goes black for you. Maybe it is now an actual full screen. So weird. Am I supposed to use set window position too? You might need to configure OpenGL too. OpenGL just reads my screen size. OpenGL has its own sizes. That has nothing to do with this. OpenGL just takes the size of the window and uses that. Windows should make the window bigger. And by making the window bigger, OpenGL adapts. So OpenGL is just, this code should work without rendering. So essentially, yeah, let me mark this. This code should work without this. Because it's just the window we are changing, right? It is the window. It's nothing to do with the renderer. Maybe it works, but your code overrides it or changes to full screen in each frame. Oh wait, you might be wrong. You're right here. Maybe you're right. Let me check. That would be a stupid mistake. No, I don't think it does. I've done this outside. Yeah, I'm changing the mode. But you know, just to make sure that it doesn't happen, we can start like this. Now in the beginning we switch the mode, right? Assert maximum elements. Oh, it doesn't render at all, of course. Yeah. Of course, it doesn't render. And then after a second it tries to draw quads, and then all of the transforms are full because they're not being cleared. I have to quickly disable that then. Instead of rendering, we just set the transforms to 0 every frame. Where's that? Wait. Where's that? Am I blind? Ah, there we go. I have to make sure that... Wait. There we go. Render data materials dot count is 0. This is basically resetting it. And then we won't have issues. We won't run into the issue of... Cakez, I added a song to the playlist, but I don't know if you would fuck with it. Can you check so I know which other songs to add? Which one is it called, bro? I mean, it's probably Sturdy Puss. People on the land. Okay, I mean, we might as well... How about I remove this? And this is from Dagrange, really cool. I like it. I dig it. That one's good. Thank you very much for helping me with this, man. Oh my god, you know how much fucking weight you lift off my shoulders? These people always complaining about the music. Ah, same shit song. Shut up! Cakez, don't you miss playing Dark Souls after coding already? Yeah, I missed it. I miss it. I'm gonna play Dark Souls tomorrow, guys, for the weekend. We'll play Dark Souls tomorrow. Alright, so that's the first switch mode. If the game doesn't crash after a while, we're good, because everything's being reset. Looks like it is. Cool. Nice. Now, the game is being reset. Mendoza, thank you very much for following. Next, we need to... Oh, I can't change the display settings if nothing is being rendered, is it? Is there? If nothing is being rendered... then I can't change the display settings, because I can't see anything. Nice. Okay, that works very well. I didn't think about that. Yeah. I need a keyboard combo. So basically, if key pressed this frame, key W, you know, because for window we want W, right? Then options dot mode is full screen. Wait, window W would be... No, wait. I know what to do. Two keystrokes, right? The F key is for full screen and W is for windowed. Like that. Cool. Nice. Alt right is enter plus enter is common. Right alt plus enter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. F11, do you kill OpenGL window before changing it to full screen mode? To set the window size instead of the monitor size in dev mode, try to set the window size instead of the monitor size in dev mode. You see, okay. This is the first run. Switch option, okay. W. Wait, we're already in window. F, full screen. Okay, cool. Now it does work. Our option mode is full screen. We go in here. Now you guys should see a black... Let me see that in here too. You guys should see something go black soon. In a second. It goes black for you. Nothing changes for me, by the way. Boom. Device index. Still goes in here a couple of times. Breaks out, returns true. And it doesn't go into the function again. So it's not switching it back. So, and you told me to use the window size instead of the monitor size. I don't know what that means. Is there like a window size or something? Which one are we talking about here, bro? Why do you prefer C-style enums with a prefix like key underscore versus key colon colon star, or was that from a library? I prefer that because then keys are just ints instead of classes, and int is easier to cast, or an enum of that type is easier to cast to an int than a class. That's why. DM peels? DM peels? What are these names? What? It's like banana peels. What? Peels? What is that shit? Hä? Is this guy trolling or is this real? No, we use that. Pelts with a knight. Unfortunately, we already used that, Christian. So unfortunately, it's not that, bro. Cakez just went black for a bit again, and you clicked into VS Code. I think it does work. You might have to resize the window still. So we have to set the window position as well. So we changed the display settings. Change the game to borderless full screen first, then switch to exclusive after. That you think that's what I need to do? But it doesn't go black for me. Why? Why is it only going black for you guys? I see everything. That's odd. I mean, I could do that, of course, you know. We make the full screen borderless. Right? I wonder if we have to do this here first. I don't know. Just for testing, put... I did though. This is the 1920 by 1080, I can show you. We did check if the monitor's size, X and Y, is the actual size that we want. Watch. So essentially I press full screen now, right? Oops, not F9. Then you can see that the size of the monitor is 1920 by 1080. So it is that size. We're setting this here. I can hard code this, but I already know that it's going to be set to those. See that? I mean, I guess we'll do it like this, guys. There is not going to be any changes, I guess, but maybe the refresh rate will change. We'll try this. If this does not work, and we need to wait for feedback, right? Then that's how it is. But thank you, real super cool. Maybe this is actually what we need to do. Just a question, guys. Does the screen go black when I call this? Or only when I call this? You guys don't remember, right? Let me try this. And without the toggling, for now. Now I need to build this twice. It's getting really slow, man. Maybe it's because of free type. Problem for 7 years into the future, Cakez? Shut up. It's not gonna be 7 years, bro. It's going to be, if we are being realistic, like 1 year, maybe a bit longer. And that's already adding a lot. At least he has 2 screens with a single monitor. The whole once go black can be a problem. Once you go black can be a problem. All right, let's see. I'll try with this again. It does go black too. So it looks like both functions work. Might as well keep this function then though. Cool. Well, thank you guys. I think we have a proper full screen now. Unfortunately, I can't really test it because I don't know how. I have a refresh rate of 60 on the monitor, which is basically what you have before as well. So I can't really test it if it works. So I have a question for you guys. If I have a true full screen experience, right? If it's true full screen, do you have to restart? No. Will vertical sync? This song doesn't really work, bro. Streets exploration. It's not really a like tavern. It's too ominous. It's too quiet. It's too dark, like this stuff right here. Mr. Sturdy Pose. I'm gonna remove it, okay? Okay. And I think this is too overwhelming. Yeah, it's too battly. It's not... Unfortunately, this is too battly too. Like, it's not chill. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it's too combat rich, I guess. Unfortunately. Ah, man, I can't do. I don't want to do this right now. But yeah, what is this? Pull up a chair. Oh, maybe that's good. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Okay, guys. I think we have a good foundation now for the game. We have all of the different settings implemented. Whether they work 100% or not, I don't know. We'll have to see. But for now, this is what we have. Cakez, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by executive dysfunction occasioning symptoms of inattention, hyperactivity, impulsivity, and emotional dysregulation that are excessive and pervasive, impairing in multiple contexts and otherwise age inappropriate. Are you dumb? What are you talking about? All right. Full screen. Maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. It goes black for you guys, doesn't go black for me. Not sure. Still 60 FPS. So my question is the following. If I have a full screen window, right? What about, and the monitor's refresh rate is 120. Will the FPS show 120? Or will it show 60? According to Real Supercool's... according to Real Supercool, it is going to be 120. Is that correct? If you guys set Vampire Survivors to full screen and you turn on vertical sync and you have a 75 Hz monitor, do you see 75 frames per second? Or is it more? Is it less? Depending on vertical sync. Well, we'll keep it in the game. If it is real full screen or not, I have no clue. But so far, I'm very happy about the options. Maybe they could be centered a bit more. They don't look perfect, I know that. But it is a beginning, right? It's a beginning. It does go to 120 FPS with DirectX and below. Only with DirectX app, it doesn't. It does not go up with below those. Okay, maybe it doesn't go up with OpenGL too. Hello, Tapir. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome, brother. Why no exclusive full screen? This is exclusive full screen. Then we have windowed, and we have borderless. I have that. Not sure if that works. 100%. I have to test it. But right now we have this. VSync caps to the FPS of the monitor's refresh rate. Okay. Even in windowed mode, Marty? If you have your game in windowed mode, will it cap to the refresh rate of the monitor too? Or just to 60? Do you know that? For me it caps to 60. I love this, you know. It's awesome that it just gets saved. It's really cool. Nice. Guys, how are we supposed to do texturing in fucking Minecraft and J now? How are we supposed to do that? Minecraft and J texturing in 2 seconds? Can we do it? Can we speedrun this?